I meant to do this yesterday for Christmas, but you know, busy. So here it is, my version of a non-gingerbread house, a vegetable thing that came to me because I was watching KTLA and they had one featured and it was a good idea. So basically I'm just using whipped cream cheese as my glue, and I've glued, this one's coming out already, glued the vegetables to a tofu, baked tofu. It was baked in soy and seasonings, and then I'm just sort of gluing the vegetables around it. That's all. Making a little scene, trying to get a garden path. Now I'm making logs that I can glue to the side of the house, right? And for the roof, I had cut this tofu at a slant. This tofu is also at a slant, but what happened is I lost a lot of the slant due to the shrinkage. But I'm just showing because this is kind of a fun idea that I picked up on watching TV and trying it out. And this is just the first one, but you know, the first time you do anything, you don't know what you're doing, and then you get your experience. So maybe by this time next year, I'll be solid. There's a cart and a horse thing going on. So I had the opportunity to use this long stem of broccoli. I cut it hot in a bit, and then I'm making the logs. But I'm looking here, and it sure would have been easier for me to just stack them that long over here. So we need something for the next time. I'm going to apply cream cheese, my glue, sort of like my frosting when I'm making a gingerbread house, and just glue my logs on. Not too bad. That's one side. Now I'm going to do the other sides. And this roof here probably needs a little help.
We will see.
We will see, we will see. All right, so far, my not gingerbread house, my salad house, has broccoli, cilantro as little extra greens, a little bit of an overgrown hill, some yellow squash, chimneys of olives, Kalamata olives. Here are some sweet red peppers, broccoli stems, chopped kale here, a little bush made out of broccoli. So here the broccoli is a tree, here the broccoli is a bush. You just cut off more of the stem. And then more little broccoli bushes here. And sprinkled in the kale is some cilantro that adds extra texture and flavor. Anyway, that's my first one, because I got stuff to do, like real things, you know. Isn't that cute?